welcome to my channel. As we all know, the world is celebrating the 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He was one of the greatest leaders of Indian freedom movement and popular for his non-violent means. He led non-cooperation movement, Salt March, Quit India movement, etc. against the British colonial rule. Though he left us on 30th January 1948, his birth anniversary we celebrate as Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. It's a proud moment for all of us that the United Nations announced that 2nd October to be the International Day of Non-Violence.
You may know him from his name, Bapu. Many know him from the title, Father of our Nation. But in the eyes of the people, he was known as the Mahatma. It is indeed rare for someone to create as great an impact on a nation as Mahatma Gandhi did with India. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who has the honorific Mahatma added to his name, was an Indian lawyer, politician, and anti colonial nationalist. Furthermore, Gandhi came forward with the highest successful non-violent resistance against British rule. Moreover, this man was inspired by several civil rights and freedom movements across the world. Mahatma Gandhi came into this world on the October 2nd, 1869. This great personality was born in an Indian Gujarati family. Law training of this man took place at the Inner Temple in London. The making of his greatness took place in South Africa. It was here that Mahatma Gandhi spent a significant part of his life. Furthermore, in South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi raised his family. Most noteworthy, it was here that Gandhi fought for civil rights by employing non-violent resistance, which he would go on to use in India. When he came to South Africa, he had to deal with racial discrimination due to his skin color. Once, while traveling on a stagecoach along with Europeans, he was asked to sit near the driver on the floor. Mahatma Gandhi came forward with his refusal, as clearly this was a great humiliation for him. Consequently, Gandhi had to suffer beating because of his refusal. In another incident, Mahatma Gandhi was forcefully made to quit a train in South Africa. This was due to his adamant refusal to quit the first class. Consequently, he spent the entire night shivering in the train station. Such events of pure racial discrimination were certainly instrumental in shaping the ideology of this great man. Ultimately, Mahatma Gandhi began to question the standing of his people in the British Empire. As part of the freedom struggle, Mahatma Gandhi launched important movements like Champaran Satyagraha, Kheda Satyagraha, Khilafat, Non-Cooperation, Salt Satyagraha, Civil Disobedience, and Quit India. This shows the immense contribution of this man towards Indian independence. Ahimsa or Satya. Mahatma Gandhi was a huge advocate of non-violence. In fact, we can safely say that he was the originator of the principle of non-violence. Furthermore, he was the first person to apply this concept on such a massive political scale. This man always preached people regarding the importance of ahimsa or non-violence. If you want to learn more about Gandhi's ideas regarding non-violence or ahimsa, then you can always read his book, The Story of My Experiments with Truth, which is also his autobiography. One incident which clearly shows Mahatma Gandhi's staunch support for non-violence was the Chauri Chaura incident. In this incident, angry demonstrators attacked a police station and set fire to the police. Consequently, there was the death of 22 policemen. Most noteworthy, there was the halting of the ongoing successful non-cooperation movement by Gandhi due to this incident. He took this decision to halt the non cooperation movement because he was strictly against the violence of any kind. He was a staunch man who would never tolerate the tarnishing of his movement with any kind of violence. Mahatma Gandhi was a man who gave his whole life to the nation. No doubt people refer to him as the father of our nation. His empathy for the poor, oppressed, and lower caste people is absolutely unparalleled. This man continues to command respect not only in India but all over the world.
A speech or celebration is not much enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi and about his values and deeds, but we can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace, and non-violence, and can lead our country to an incredible nation.
The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Good morning to you all. My name is Pranita Fernandez and I am here to celebrate the birthday of the father of our nation. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a lawyer, a visionary, a political ethicist and a true man of his words. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, whom we call as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu, was born on 2nd October 1869. 2nd October is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence as he was the preacher of non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi was born in a small town of Porbandar in Gujarat, but he performed great deeds throughout his life. He started Satyagraha movement for India's freedom struggle. Under his leadership, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year to pay him tribute and remember his works for the country's independence. His involvement and leadership cannot be forgotten generations to come. Today, as we celebrate the joyous birthday of our dear Bapu, let us join in and spread his ideas